Welcome, in front of me is a Motorola Edge 20 Pro, and today I'll show you how to boot this device into recovery mode. So to get started, you want to hold power key and select power off. Once the device turns off, hold power key and volume down at the same time. So I'm going to do that right now. This will take us to boot mode. There we go. Once you see it, you can let go of the keys and then using only volume keys to navigate. So as an example, volume down, it's going to scroll down through the options. You want to select recovery mode, and then once you see it right here, confirm it with power key. Give it a second and this will bring us to Android with no command. And there we go. And once you see this, you will want to hold power key, then press volume up while holding that power key. And this takes us to recovery mode. So there we go. And in here, again, just as before, you will use volume keys to navigate through the options and power key to confirm whatever is selected. Now that being said, the options accessible right here are Reboot System Now, which brings us back to Android, Reboot to Bootloader, which brings us back to where we came from. Then we have Enter Fast Boot Mode, have Apply Updates from ADB or SD card, Wipe Data, Factory Reset, Mount System, View Logs, Run Test, and Power off the device. So like I mentioned, whatever you want to confirm, I press power key, and because I want to leave this mode, I'm sticking with Reboot System Now. So power key, and this will take me back to Android now. And as you can see, we're now back in Android. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.